Welcome back to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of blogging. Whether you're passionate about sharing your expertise, telling your story, or building an online business, starting a blog is a fantastic way to express yourself and connect with others. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of starting your very own blog. Let's get started. Choose your niche. First things first, you'll want to choose a niche for your blog. What are you passionate about? What topics do you have expertise in? Consider your interests, skills, and target audience when selecting your niche. Choosing a niche you're passionate about will keep you motivated and engaged in the long run. Select a blogging platform. Next, you'll need to select a blogging platform to host your blog. There are several options out there, including WordPress, Blogger, Wix, and Squarespace. Each platform has its features, customization options, and pricing plans. Take some time to research and choose the platform that best suits your needs and budget. Choose a domain name and hosting provider. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to choose a domain name and hosting provider for your blog. Your domain name is your blog's address on the internet. So choose a name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Many hosting providers offer domain registration services as part of their hosting packages. Install and customize your blog. With your domain name and hosting sorted, it's time to install and customize your blog. Most blogging platforms offer a variety of themes and templates to choose from. Select a theme that matches your brand and customize it with your logo, colors, and fonts. Don't forget to set up essential pages like About Me, Contact, and Privacy Policy. Create compelling content. Now comes the fun part, creating content. Start brainstorming ideas for your blog posts and creating a content calendar. Aim to provide value to your audience with informative, entertaining, and engaging content. Remember to optimize your posts for search engines with relevant keywords and meta tags. Promote your blog. Once you've published your first few blog posts, it's time to promote your blog and attract readers. Share your posts on social media, join relevant online communities, and reach out to influencers in your niche. Consider guest posting on other blogs and participating in blog collaborations to expand your reach. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal following for your blog. Respond to comments on your posts, ask for feedback, and encourage discussion. Consider creating an email newsletter to keep your subscribers updated on your latest posts and exclusive content. Monetize your blog. Once your blog has gained traction and you've built a loyal audience, you can explore monetization options. This may include display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, digital products, and services. Choose monetization strategies that align with your audience and provide value. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your very own blog. Whether you're blogging for fun, passion, or profit, remember to stay true to yourself and your audience. Consistency, authenticity, and perseverance are key to blogging success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be interested in starting their own blog. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.